In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the Gantt chart view in Wrike using Chrome. This tutorial is perfect for project managers and team members who want to optimize their workflow by visualizing multiple projects or folders at once. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred browser, which for this demonstration is Google Chrome. Opening Wrike in Chrome ensures a smooth user experience, offering reliable performance and compatibility with Wrike's interface. Once you have Chrome open, type in the URL for Wrike and log in with your credentials. Keeping our workspace secure is always the best practice. With Wrike open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface where the navigation options are typically located. Here, you'll find various views that Wrike has to offer. For our purposes today, click on the option labeled Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is an invaluable tool within Wrike, providing a visual timeline of your project tasks, deadlines, and dependencies all in one comprehensive overview. This can greatly simplify project planning and management, enabling you to see how different components of your projects interlink over time. Once you're in the Gantt chart view, it's time to bring up multiple projects or folders. To do this, navigate to the Projects panel on the interface. By holding down either the Control button on a Windows device or the Command button on a Mac, begin clicking on the specific projects or folders you wish to display. This capability to select multiple items allows you to compare and contrast different timelines and dependencies side by side, enhancing your ability to manage resources effectively. After you've selected your projects, Wrike will display them simultaneously on the Gantt chart. Now, this might initially appear overwhelming, especially if you are overseeing numerous complex projects. This is where adjusting the view settings comes into play to maintain clarity and focus. Look for the settings icon on the Gantt chart toolbar. Clicking it will drop down an array of options you can adjust to tailor the view to your preference. You might want to zoom in for a detailed perspective on specific tasks or zoom out to see the bigger picture. There's also an option to filter by task status or assignee, which helps in cutting out any clutter you may not need at the moment. Implementing these view adjustments not only keeps the information organized, but also ensures that you spend less time searching for specific details, allowing you to dedicate more time to strategic decision making. And there you have it. Your Gantt chart view is now set up and customized to help streamline your project management process. Thank you for following along, and make sure to apply these tips to enhance productivity in your own projects.